Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. That's a great tool for planting, where it's like a mini spork. It's a crown trowel or a tulip trowel. It's all made from Swedish boron steel, really tough, hardy stuff, and an ash handle. And it cuts through soil an awful lot easier, and you can weed with it on its side like that, so it's like a little mini hoe. Really, really useful. We're planting two Mossy Saxifrage today. Mossy Saxifrage are plants that will just spread with moss-like growth and have white or red flowers. The first one is this variety here called Buttercup. It's got white flowers that stand up over the moss-like foliage, and the other one is Redcap. It's got red flowers to do the same thing. So we just took out two size planting holes here. The idea is going to spill out over this rough bit of stonework. A little bit of super dry planting fertilizer at the bottom of the planting hole, get them off to a good start in life. They're reliable and hardy carpet plants that grow in any sort of reasonable soil once it's free draining. So that's Buttercup gone in first, and don't cover them up too much. And it's going to just spread here and spill out over the stonework, and the same with Saxifrage Redcap. So both of those gone in there. They're just like a nice sunny and free draining spot to do well, and winter hardy and last for years. Bye for now. Enjoy your garden.